Hello everyone. So if you're trying to run any program on your computer and you keep getting this error, the program can't start because MSVCP110.dll is missing from your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that error on your computer easily. First off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your browser and then you're going to go on to this link. I'm going to put this link into the description of the video. And once you're here, you're going to select your language. And once you're done selecting your language, you're going to click download on here. You're going to select both x86 and then x64. Leave the ARM version out. Click download then. And then download both of these Visual C++ Redist softwares. And after that, you're going to go ahead and install both of them. And once you're done with installing both of these files, then you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now when you try to run any application or program that contains the code that MSVCP110.dll needs, you will not get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.